Good morning everyone. Today you're going to be looking at a Luminox watch under natural light. So this is the Luminox Master Carbon Seal 3801 limited edition deep dive edition model. There's a 46mm case diameter with a 14mm case thickness. Probably retailed around about £500 when I first bought it, and it probably is around about that price now because you can't really get them anymore now. And only weighs probably about 100 grams because of the materials that makes up it. We'll get onto why it weighs so little in a little while. So let's move on to that little face here. So we've got a black with like a vexy sort of blue sort of pattern inside it, giving it like a dark, very dark blue tinge to it, with fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments that are always visible, and that's what Luminox goes for. They have actual lume inside the hands rather than being reliant on sunlight. Waterproof to 300 meters because obviously it's meant to be sort of a bit more practical for like a Navy SEAL use, and Luminox has been used by the Navy SEALs in the past. Watch houses a Ronda 715 with a gold-plated movement inside, so ensuring incredible accuracy. Over time, I probably noticed that this is probably gained or lost a second, perhaps every 3 months, if anything. So it's very good, I'd say. It just happens to be the model that I picked up. And the reason why it only weighs sort of a very small amount is because the casing is actually Carbonox. So Carbonox is a compound of, I think it's aluminium, titanium and carbon. I did do a little bit of digging on this. You have to just double check that. I'm not entirely sure. You have to do a bit of reading yourself to make sure that, but that's the information that I got. And it's meant to be ultra strong and ultra light. So that's the whole sort of purpose of the casing and why it's there. And I can tell you that over time that's lived up to its name, because I've knocked this so many times on different things and the watch hasn't got any marks on it at all. The glass on top is also military grade sapphire glass, so very strong. I could probably throw some water, it'd be fine, as it's meant to be. Go around the side of the casing, you can have a look a little bit closer at those grains of carbon, as you can see there. Really like carbon, long bars, as you can see there. Really fine grade. I'm actually considering getting a mil-spec watch, to be fair, just because I've had this watch for quite some time now. As I said, this is a limited edition model. As you can see from those that print on the back, just above this this crest here, you've got a little engraving there of the edition number. Full Carbonox compound casing with stainless steel. I'm actually on, for those of you that are aware of mil-spec watches, this isn't the default strap, that's correct. This is actually a mil-spec strap with the sort of that rough sort of finish on it. And some of you might have always noticed I did have a compass on it, and that's now been removed. Just want to go for the design. I've got a bit of paint on it. The only problem with the mil-spec strap is it's just a little bit difficult to clean when you get things on it. So there we go guys, that is the Luminox Deep Dive Master Carbon Seal watch. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video.